Item number 3, Bishop Prashant Sinha.
Lord, this case was heard by Lordships yesterday. I have challenged the decision of the state government contained in Annexure 15, whereby the decision of the university regarding confirmation of our services has been rejected by the state government. Annexure 14, page 46 is the order under challenge, my lord. And Annexure 13, page 44 is the decision of the university.
Yes.
Lordship, appointment of the teachers is not recommended from the commission, Lordship, without approval, Lordship.
But you have made an amendment in the rule, no? 57. That is what you were showing.
Yes. Annexure 11, page 41.
What do you say about this amendment? And the university has formed a committee. It has made selection. Where is the director? Yes. There is another case also today of same nature.
Item number 4.
4. We have called you in that case. उसमें है बुलाया था
जी.
उसमें बुलाया था उसमें बुलाया था
41.
बिहार गजट 2015.
See, you have passed an order. The other case at Annexure B,
Yes.
which was brought to our knowledge. Please see that letter.
Yes.
It seems that you have signed it on dotted lines. Second last para. अंकनीय है कि बिहार राज्य विश्वविद्यालय संशोधन नियम
57A क की उपधारा 6 के अंतर्गत चयन समिति से संबद्ध डिग्री महाविद्यालयों के शिक्षकों के निमित्त महाविद्यालय स्तर पर अनुशंसा देनी होती एक नई संस्था यथा चयन समिति का प्रावधान किया गया है। इस अधिनियम के प्रस्तावना से स्पष्ट है कि उपयुक्त चयन समिति छात्र उत्तीर्णता के आधार पर दिए जाने वाले अनुदान से संबंधित संबद्ध डिग्री महाविद्यालयों में वैसे शिक्षक जिनकी नियुक्ति कॉलेज सेवा आयोग की अनुशंसा से प्राप्त नहीं है ऐसे शिक्षकों की नियुक्ति के लिए जांचोपरांत अनुमोदन का प्रस्ताव दिया
प्रावधान किया गया है।
जी।
So that has been done. They have recommended.
No,
after conducting through a screening committee, if they have recommended their cases to you, you have rejected it just saying that this provision is there.
My lord, before किसी भी निर्णय पे पहुंचने से पहले मैं न्यायालय के सामने कुछ बात रखना चाहूंगी और यदि आप परमिट करें तो मैं शुरू से जी मैं आभार व्यक्त करती हूं पहले तो आपका सर कि आपने हमें बुलाया और मौका दिया है सरकार को अपनी बात रखने की। जहां तक सवाल है ये चयन समिति की सर सॉरी माय लॉर्ड तो मुझसे भूल हो सकती है सर निकल जाएगा।
Don't worry. You tell whatever you have to say on fact.
तो चयन समिति का जो यहाँ हम लोगों ने बनाया है ये वैसे वित्त रहित शिक्षा नीति जब समाप्त की गई थी 2007 में तब सरकार ने इस तरह का प्रावधान किया वैसे शिक्षकों के लिए जहाँ जो एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज में कार्यरत थे और जिनकी अनुशंसा विश्वविद्यालय कॉलेज सेवा आयोग से नहीं हो पाई। मीन टाइम चूंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हंगामा हुआ था शिक्षकों ने बहुत जोर डाला था तो सरकार ने वित्त रहित शिक्षा नीति अपनाया और तब वैसे कॉलेज में जो कार्यरत कर रहे थे शिक्षक उनके लिए ये हम लोगों ने प्रावधान 57A में 6 उपधारा के तहत किया ताकि उनका भी वो भी अपने जो हमारा जो सैंक्शन पद है उस पर उनकी अनुशंसा हो सके और उनको हम दे सके परफॉर्मेंस ग्रांट जो देते हैं माय लॉर्ड वो बजट में नहीं आता है उसके लिए अलग से प्रावधान होता है और उसके लिए हम लोगों ने विश्वविद्यालय को ही अधिकृत कर रखा है कि वही उनका जो है वो चयन करेंगे और उनके लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट निकालेंगे और उनका सेवा संपोस्ट करेंगे। इस नियम के आने तक सरकार ने अपना जो पावर था समांजित करने का वो विश्वविद्यालय को दे दिया था। अब सवाल जो ये टीचर जिन लोगों का 67 शिक्षकों का जो अभी केस हमारे न्यायालय में है वादी ने जो प्रेयर किया है उसमें उनकी नियुक्ति 28 फरवरी 82 के में हुई थी, तो 1982 में हुई थी। तो वैसे शिक्षकों का था कि उनको उसमें हमारा जो 35 को देखा जाए माय लॉर्ड, हमारा जो 35 एक मिनट पहले 35 है, उसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि 35 ऑफ विश्वविद्यालय सेवा मेरा जो एक्ट है 1976। एक मिनट पहले 35 एक्सप्लेन कर लेते हैं, फिर 35(2) करेंगे। उसमें सैंक्शन पद, जो सरकार के द्वारा जो पद सैंक्शन किया गया, नो पोस्ट कैन बी क्रिएटेड बिफोर।
Let's have a look at that.
या 35 देखा जाए एक्ट। एक मिनट मैं बता दूंगी सब, आई नो।
No post for appointment shall be created without the prior sanction of the state government.
माय लॉर्ड। और सेकेंड 2 में 35 का 2 देखा जाए माय लॉर्ड,
Yes.
उसमें 6 मंथ के लिए दिया गया है कि नॉट एक्सीडिंग 6 मंथ के लिए रखा जा सकता है, और उसके बाद उनका जो है उनका कंकरेंस जो है सरकार को वो भेजेंगे और सरकार उसको ओके करेगी। तभी हो सकता है जब उनका एडवर्टीजमेंट वो भी 6 महीना रखना था, एडवर्टीजमेंट और अंतरिक्षा से टेम्परेरी टीचर, और उन टेम्परेरी टीचर को इन लोगों ने रखा यूनिवर्सिटी ने, और इतने सालों 2011 तक उसका वेतन बजट में बना के भेजते रहे, और कंकरेंस के लिए नहीं गए। कंकरेंस इतने सालों तक 28 सालों तक यदि उन्होंने कंकरेंस के लिए नहीं किया, जब तक हमारा विश्वविद्यालय सेवा कॉलेज सेवा आयोग था। इससे ये साफ परिलक्षित होता है कि उस वक्त जरूर उनके पास अर्हता नहीं रही होगी, और इसलिए वो कॉलेज सेवा आयोग में नहीं गए। कॉलेज सेवा आयोग में कंकरेंस
नहीं रही होगी मतलब there was no requirement.
नो सर,
अहर्ता का मतलब क्या है?
अर्हता इन एलिजिबिलिटी, जिस समय उस समय जो
These people may not be having the eligibility.
ये मेरा
That is the presumption.
ये माय प्रिजम्पशन, बट
That is the presumption of the government.
Yeah, government.
Because they did not possess the eligibility criteria, so they did not send it to
और
the.
6 मंथ के लिए भी जो उन्होंने रखा, वो उसको एक्सटेंड करते रहे इतने वर्षों तक, और सरकार के संज्ञान में नहीं आ पाया। सरकार के संज्ञान में आया 57A, सरकार के संज्ञान 57A में है। मैं जो बोली ना 57A में है, तो सरकार के संज्ञान में ये जो 35(2) है 6 मंथ के लिए है, और 57A जो इन्होंने अभी मुझे बोला है वो 57A निकाला जाए।
Yes.
हाँ, वो परमानेंट टीचर्स के लिए आयोग रहेगा, आयोग के द्वारा होगा। आई नो। हाँ है।
Yes. 57 is appointment of teachers in universities, right?
Yes.
And 57 capital A is
57
57A में है affiliated college not maintained by the state government and made by management.
Yes.
ये तो 35 जो मैंने कहा था सर,
That you have already said.
या 35 एक्ट में सर देखा जाएगा सर, 2 कॉलेजेस है, एक जो गवर्नमेंट से कंट्रोल होती है और दूसरा है लिंग्विस्टिक एंड माइनॉरिटी के बेसिस पे। तो ये जो कॉलेज हमारे हैं संस्कृत वाले, ये लिंग्विस्टिक्स के बेसिस पर हैं, और इसी वजह से ये लोग एफिलिएटेड कहलाते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी से। तो 2 तरह के एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज हो गए सर, एक हो गया माय लॉर्ड, एक हो गया जो लिंग्विस्टिक ग्राउंड पे बने एफिलिएटेड टू यूनिवर्सिटी हुए, और दूसरा जो हमारा हुआ एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज जिसमें हम परफॉर्मेंस ग्रांट देते हैं विथ रही 2008 के या 7 के पूर्व, जो हमारे 8 के पूर्व जो हमारे कॉलेज एफिलिएटेड थे, उनको आज भी हम परफॉर्मेंस ग्रांट, यानी कि जो बच्चों का रिजल्ट निकलता है उसके आधार पर हम उनको परफॉर्मेंस ग्रांट देते हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी को भेजते हैं।
We are dealing with linguistic colleges.
ये जो ये
So
लिंग्विस्टिक,
for them, what is your policy?
इसमें इनका वेतन एफिलिएटेड है,
एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज
घाटानुदानित है ना, दे आर इनको हम लोग घाटा अनुदानित के ये में रखते हैं, श्रेणी में रखते हैं, और इनका बजट आता है हमारे यहाँ, और उस बजट के आधार पर इनका पेमेंट जाता है, यूनिवर्सिटी को अनुदान जाता है, और अनुदान जब यूनिवर्सिटी को जाता है, अनुदान फिर इनकी सैलरी, यूनिवर्सिटी इनकी
So
सैलरी,
their salary is paid from the grant which is released from the government.
और यूनिवर्सिटी पे द सैलरी ऑफ दोज
All right.
टीचर्स. It's not the government who pays the salary.
So but the grant has been released for them.
No, we didn't.
That is why they are here.
Yes, इसका रीजन ये हुआ कि 2011 तक तो सरकार के संज्ञान में ये बात थी ही नहीं कि ऐसे शिक्षक जिनका कंकरेंस कॉलेज सेवा आयोग से नहीं है वो कार्यरत हैं अभी भी. जब हमने उसमें एक कॉलम जोड़ा 2011-12 के बजट में कि ऐसे जो भी शिक्षक का आप नाम भेजें, एक कॉलम बनाया कि उसमें आप लिखें कि ये अनुशंसित हैं कि नहीं, कॉलेज सेवा आयोग से इनका कंकरेंस है कि नहीं, या विश्वविद्यालय सेवा आयोग से कंकरेंस है कि नहीं. तो इन 67 टीचर्स का जो बजट हमारे पास आया उसमें नो लिख कर आया. तो फिर विभाग इस पे गहन अध्ययन किया, समीक्षा की, और पाया कि इन 67 शिक्षकों का तो कंकरेंस है नहीं कॉलेज सेवा आयोग से, तो यहाँ से बजट उनका बंद कर दिया गया. हमने सैलरी हम देते नहीं है, वी गिव ग्रांट.
So you
सैलरी विश्वविद्यालय देती है.
Stop their grant.
ग्रांट, हाँ. उस
Then-
नाम हमारे यहाँ से
Then
सर
what
ग्रांट,
was the next step which
सर
was
हमारे यहाँ
required?
से जो ग्रांट जाती है सर समेकित, जो
All right, we have understood.
विश्वविद्यालय पद बताता है उसके अनुसार से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करके उतना पैसा उनको भेज देते हैं
और-
ग्रांट के रूप में, और वो फिर उसको सैलरी को डिसबर्स करते हैं.
So against their post you have not released the grant.
यस.
Now, after this 57A which has come into force from 2013,
या.
they have been screened by the university,
यस.
and after screening the university has sent for recommendation.
बाय द टाइम हमने पावर तो
Will
university को दे-
57A not apply to them?
या. I
Will
will
it apply or not?
No, it will not apply on those teachers,
Why?
on those colleges, because
Let us read 57A,
yeah, of course.
whether it excludes them.
Yeah. It is already written, affiliated college not maintained by the state government.
Subject to provisions of this act. Let us read this 57A. Please read it. वकील साहब आप पढ़ो.
आप पढ़िए 57. आप पढ़िए ना, आप आइए. आप
Whoever is to read, please. Let us understand from you. So that's why we are asking you to read it.
57.
इसमें also there are two types.
Let us know first 57A.
No, आप रीड करिए ना इसको.
थोड़ा सा हम बैकग्राउंड बता देते हैं
अभी बता दिया ना इन्होंने.
जी,
गलत बताया है कि
उसको क्लेरिफाई हम कर देते हैं हुजूर.
पहले आप 57A पढ़िए. Don't avoid the issues which are there before the court.
मिलो 57A हुजूर पहले का है. सब्जेक्ट टू प्रोविजन ऑफ द एक्ट स्टैट्यूट मेड देयर अंडर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ टीचर ऑफ एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज नॉट मेंटेन्ड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट shall be made by the management of the college.
कहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं आप 57A? तो ऐसा नहीं है.
57A हुजूर ये
कैपिटल A पढ़ना है, 57A पढ़ रहे हैं.
मिलोट ये बिफोर अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2007.
57 कैपिटल A पढ़ रहे हैं आप, 57A पढ़ रहे हैं.
अमेंडमेंट है.
57A पढ़ रहा हूँ
57 कैपिटल A पढ़िए.
मिलोट कैपिटल ए बिफोर अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2007 मिलोट 2007 amendment has been made and there
The
are
council, when we are asking you what is the amendment made after 2013,
मिलोट
perhaps you have understood what the court is asking.
मिलोट
If you try to avoid the query of the court, we will throw you out from the court.
मिलोट
I am not going to allow any kind of such kind of behavior.
इधर 56, 57.
Yes, madam, you read it. You read this. हटाइए इनको.
Yes.
He is the government counsel?
No.
कौन है? You are the, who is the GC here? Who is the GC? नहीं, आपके गवर्नमेंट काउंसिल कौन है? आप पढ़िए. You will not allow anyone else.
मैं लेके आई, मैं फोटो कॉपी लेके आई.
सामने किताब रखी हुई है, आप पढ़ना नहीं चाहते? You are avoiding the issue. क्या बात है आपके वकील, आपने ऐसे कलीग रख रखे?
मैं लेके आई हूँ सारा।
Appointment of teacher of
किताब नहीं
college.
किताब नहीं तो आपको किताब दे
ये हम
दीजिए। Say this.
हम
Give him a book. ये दीजिए, लेटेस्ट अमेंडमेंट दीजिए,
लेटेस्ट वाला नहीं।
पेज 46 पढ़िए इस पर।
मेरा पेज कहाँ है? वो जो हमने दिया था वो दे दीजिए, जो हमने दिया था वो दे दीजिए।
प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो ये say this. After all, we are all here to pursue a legal question. We'll decide it together.
ये
We'll understand
सेक्शन
from you.
57
57A पेज 46 पर है।
46 हाँ।
Procedure of selection to be prescribed by the statute.
Yes.
Number one, subject to the provisions of this act and a statute made hereunder for appointment of teachers in such affiliated college which are not governed by the state government or not funded by the university. The applications from the candidates fulfilling the qualification prescribed under clause 3 of subsection 1 of section 57 of this act shall be invited by the governing body of the college concerned. The selection shall be processed by the selection committee constituted by the university under the provisions contained in section 57B of this act. 2. In making recommendations on the basis of interview of the candidates holding the above mentioned qualifications, the rules or the reservations shall be
adhered by the
selection committee. 3. The recommendation made by the selection committee shall remain valid for 1 year from the date of recommendation. Within 6 months from the date of recommendation of the selection committee, the college administration shall process the appointment, promotion in order of...
This is for those colleges which are not affiliated, which are not funded.
Which are not funded by
Now
the
come to
government.
57(6).
Yeah, not controlled and
57A का 6 subclause 6।
57A is already mentioned.
ये नया ऐड हुआ है,
जी ये नया है।
ये रिलाय कर रहे हैं इस 6 पे।
जी
पढ़िए इसको।
Subject to this act, selection committee shall complete the scrutiny of the cases of the teachers appointed without the recommendations of the Bihar College Service Commission prior to 19/4/2007 in the affiliated degree colleges on the basis of the qualifications in force at the time of appointment of such teachers till 31/3/2018. Otherwise, such appointments will not be treated valid. Thereafter, the governing body of the college will accept the names recommended by the selection committee, which shall be finally approved by the concerned university. Distribution of grant amount sanctioned by the state government till 13/1/2018 shall be made against the teachers working in the concerned affiliated degree college by the governing body.
What do you understand about this? Does it not cover these teachers who were appointed prior to 2007
Lodge.
but not recommended by the commission? यही आपने लिखा है इस ऑर्डर में, लेटर में, और उसके बाद नीचे लिख दिया कि साहब हम इनको नहीं देंगे।
They were appointed under clause 35(2).
They might have been appointed for 6 months, but they were continued.
They continue.
Now for those people who were continued and who were not recommended by the commission, for them this clause has been added to scrutinize them. The university has conducted scrutiny, recommended that their names should be put in there, grant should be released for them.
But in the writ application, nowhere it has been stated, Lordship, that their names were recommended by the commission.
Yeah, the university.
concerned
Those who are not where the commission, उन्हीं के लिए तो ये clause है.
नहीं, but my lord, my lord, please allow me to say something.
Yes.
Regarding this. My lord, just look at this 57. It is already written by which are not governed by the state government.
Wait, these are for different sets.
So
57A, why
Yeah,
I asked
but-
to read
but
57A
just-
and 57A6.
Six.
6 is a proviso. It is charged for separate
Proviso of 57A. This was made for those teachers who were working in the affiliated college where the performance grant has been accepted by the government. The government will give them the performance grant on the basis of the result.
But those-
and my lord, please let me explain. The last line, which shall be finally approved by the concerned university. This is the condition.
So they-
but why they have sent to us?
They have
should
finally
they should
approved by the university, so you have to
Most-
release their grant.
No, sir. Here they send us for सेवा संपुष्टि कि सरकार की अनुमति. सरकार ने कह दिया कि हमने तो अपना सारा पावर दे दिया है विश्वविद्यालय को 2007 में. फिर why you are sending
All right.
these to us? आपने इसलिए इससे ये समझ में आता है सर कि ये जो नियम सरकार ने बनाई थी, सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि ऐसे टीचर्स जो इतने सालों से 30 सालों तक इलीगली वहां पर काम कर रहे हैं, सॉरी जो भी वॉट एवर, आई रिटर्न माई वर्ड, बट वो वहां पर काम कर रहे होंगे. सरकार ने टीचर्स के बेनिफिट के लिए, एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज के टीचर्स के बेनिफिट के लिए ये बनाया ताकि उन लोगों को चूंकि कॉलेज सेवा आयोग नहीं है तो उनको इनसे फायदा मिल सके.
Please read your letter annexure A. That is why I say that whatever you are doing on your dotted line. You just now said that the university has sent it for approval.
Approval?
No.
They should
No,
not
they have
send
not
it.
sent it for approval. Come to annexure A. Come to annexure A. Your in your affidavit.
नहीं
Could not have called you had that been the situation. Please see annexure A.
यूनिवर्सिटी से
क्या रिक्वेस्ट है यूनिवर्सिटी की आपको? लास्ट लाइन पढ़िए. उन्होंने कहा कि हमने यूनिवर्सिटी ने अप्रूव कर दिया है. वेतनमान विमुक्त करने की कृपा की जाए. दैट इज द लेटर. दे हैव सेड दैट इट इज अधिकार विश्वविद्यालय को है. You put all this burden on this court because there is no, somehow the application of mind is not there. Whatever you have been told by your subordinates, you just sign it on the dotted lines. We don't expect that from senior officers. अभी आपको भी यही फीडिंग करके आप आई हैं, आपको दी गई है. यही फीडिंग कर दी गई ना कि यूनिवर्सिटी ने अप्रूवल के लिए भेज दिया. अप्रूवल के लिए नहीं भेजा था. यूनिवर्सिटी ने कहा हमने अप्रूव कर दिया है, आप उसकी ग्रांट रिलीज करिए. आपका ही डॉक्यूमेंट आपने पेश किया और आपने उसको वापस भेज दिया.
एक मिनट, इसमें ये भी था कि वो लोग जो है इनकी.
चलिए, दैट्स ऑल. वी डोंट नीड एनी फर्दर फ्रॉम यू. चलिए. Yes, you have to say anything further?
Lordship, one thing I will like to add.
Means
We are going to impose cost on you, and a heavy cost on you, for unnecessary putting this litigation in the court.
I'm sorry.
Indicate. The petitioners, by way of this writ petition, have prayed for quashing of the letter dated 23/9/2018, whereby the Education Department, State of Bihar, has refused to release the grant for the teachers who were working in the Sanskrit universities, working in the various colleges of under the Sanskrit University, and were appointed by the university. Brief facts of the case are: इससे पहले लिखते हैं in CWJC 808/2019, the prayer has been made to provide release of salary of petitioners since June 2011, which has been withheld by the authorities concerned, in spite of several proposals made by the university concerned. And reminders sent to the state authorities. Brief facts is required to be noticed. Are as under CWJC कर दीजिएगा 250/2019. Petitioner states that he had applied under an advertisement issued on 21/6/79 for the post of lecturer and he was appointed for a period of 6 months. The appointment was approved by the university and extension was granted till further orders, wide order dated with effect from 1st July 1983, wide order dated 5th November 1983. He continued to draw service salary, and university confirmed the services in terms of decision of the syndicate by letter dated 28/8/2010. Since February 2012, the petitioner's salary was stopped. The Education Department sent a letter to the university to get the recommendation of selection committee in case of such teachers who were appointed by the governing bodies of the respective colleges. He attained superannuation on 31st January 2016, but did not receive salary for want of confirmation of service in terms of section 7A, capital A, subsection 6. By order dated 29/2/2016, the university, upon recommendations of the selection committee, regularized the services of the petitioner with effect from 1/9/77. But his retirement benefits were not released. He filed CWJC 18751/2017 before this court. The court where is that order of the court? Annexure?
That has been, after passing of this order, Annexure 14, it was disposed of with a liberty to challenge the order. In fact, it was brought on record.
During the pendency of the writ petition, the impugned order dated 23/9/2018 was passed and granting liberty to the petitioner to challenge the said order, the writ petition was disposed of.
It is at Annexure,
And therefore the present writ petition has been filed.
Annexure 15, page 51 is the order.
In CWJC 808/2019, it stated that the petitioners had been appointed in several faculties against the sanctioned post of assistant professors in various affiliated colleges under the Kameshwar Singh Darbhanga Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. After following due selection process, they were being granted salary till May 2011 as per UGC pay scale, but their salary was withheld by the authorities thereafter. Since June 2011, the same has not been released. Representations were made whereafter the issue was taken up by the government directing the education department to release the salary from June 2011. A CWJC 444/2018 was referred by 37 teachers. Whereas directions were issued to the respondent on 11/5/2018 following directions. In view of the above, page 27 पे कर दो. Despite thereto, the respondents, in spite of above directions, the respondents did not release their salary. The Additional Secretary of the Bihar Legislative Council also directed release the salary by this order dated 6/7/2018, but the same was also not complied with. They must have superannuated. Some of the petitioners have already attained superannuation. The after notices were issued in this case, and therefore fresh writ petition was given. This court passed an order on 20th August 2019 directing the state to file specific affidavit with regard to recommendation of the university in CWJC 808/2019. However, the same was not complied with. Again on 5/9/22, this court directed the respondents to file thereafter. An affidavit has been filed by the Deputy Director Higher Education, Patna, stating that the petitioners were appointed as temporary teachers in different colleges under Section 35 within bracket 2 of the Bihar State Universities Act 1976, which only provides for appointment for a period of 6 months. The same has to be continued only after further approval from the university. But the university, in collusion with the management of the colleges, allowed to continue the petitioner and continue. Same has to be approved by the state government.
That's why I was.
But the university, in collusion with the management of the colleges, allowed to continue the petitioners, and payments were made to them up to the year 2011. And it was brought to the knowledge of the state government. The payment of salaries for such teachers was stopped. It is further stated that so far as amendment made under Section 57, capital A within bracket 6 of the State Universities Act is concerned, the same is to extend the benefits to teachers of affiliated colleges which are being provided grants, taking into consideration the performance of the students appearing in the examination. And the said amendment was not meant for the teachers of deficit grant in 8 affiliated colleges. It is asserted by the state that provisions of Section 57, capital A within bracket 6 would have no application relating to the teachers working in the colleges which are receiving deficit grant in aid.
Deficit grant, yes.
And therefore, the request made by the university, even after
28 years.
regularizing their services, was not acceptable to the state government. And in a letter dated 6/10/22 has been placed on record to assert that the state grant is not required to be released for such teachers, and they could not have been confirmed by the university. A similar stand has been taken by the state in CWJC 250/2019.